Chayote Squash, also known as Chow Chow, a versatile and mild-flavored green vegetable that's perfect for salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish for rice or roti. Let's make this mild and delicious curry. Start by heating a cooker and adding oil. Then sizzle mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chili, green chili, curry leaves, chopped garlic, chopped onions until they turn slightly brown. Next, toss in some chopped tomatoes and fry it for a couple of minutes. Add the chopped chow chow, salt, washed moong dal. Mix everything together. Add water until the vegetables are immersed. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 2 to 3 whistles. While that's cooking, prepare a fine paste of coconut and cashews. Once the pressure settles, open the cooker, mash the chow chow and dal mixture. Then heat it up again. Add the coconut cashew paste and give it a quick boil. Be careful not to overcook. Your delicious curry is now ready to be served with rice or roti. This recipe is similar to the South Indian style dal palak, or we call it pindi kuram. And you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.